Specialty Mustang to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2007 Ford Mustang Roush Stage 1 Coupe. Clean Carfax, 2-owner car, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual mile car at a little over 45,000 is all. This is car number 07-1138 from Roush in their serialization order of cars. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Driving lights, grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. A couple little touch-up spots on the front and the hood. It is black. You're going to have a few little pebble chips or rock chips that have been touched up until it's a well-maintained car. Riding on the Roush chrome wheels. Looks like Continental Extreme contact radials, front and rear. Let's take a peek up and down this passenger side. You can see that's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, it's black. May show a few imperfections here or there. Quarter window treatment, bucket seats, dark charcoal leather interior. Of course, 5-speed manual transmission, center console, shaker stereo system. We'll get around to that driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior in just a bit. First of all, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's some corrosion on that rear wheel. Come around to the rear of the car, you can see spoiler, dual exhaust. When we take a peek underneath your hood, you're going to see this does have a BBK Power Plus twin throttle body on it, 62mm C&L cold air intake. We'll fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a drive at the very end of this video, show you how it goes down the road. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you're into these specialty Mustangs, whether it be Shelby, Roush, Celine, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through there. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Like I said, if you like the specialty Mustangs, go to the website and just go back through and look at the sold ones if you like checking out cars. Been a lot of cool Mustangs that have come through here over the years. All right, it appears that the door panels have been replaced. Taking a look at that. If you're into Mustangs, you know what I'm talking about. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. Of course, you'd have the Jack Roush insignia. Let's check the exact miles, and I will fire it up here a second. So exact miles right there, 45,891, so 45,891. Again, Shaker 500 stereo system, 6-CD changer. Take a peek at the underside exhaust on this too. This car's got a little bark to it. Roush shifter. Rest of the dash looks good. Passenger seat also looks good. Come up the headliner. Looks good. Come back so you can take a listen. Little rumble coming out of that. We have 4.6 liter V8. Listen to that. All right, we better take a peek underneath the hood. See what's underneath there. Underside of the hood. Get a good look at the hood liner. There it is. So 281 cubic inches, 4.6 liter. Again, cold air intake, CNL, there's that BBK Power Plus twin 62 millimeter data body. Roush number 07-1138, the 2007 Stage 1 clean Carfax. Carfax shows 2 owners, no accidents indicated, a little over 45,000 miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. We do consider trades, and financing is available. Give us a call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2007 Ford Mustang with the Roush treatment. As you can tell, this one is not an automatic. This is a 5-speed manual. Roush on the shifter, Jack Roush on the dash. The performance touches are well noticed. This car sounds great. Responsive steering. Our tachometer and speedometer are showing correctly. The fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank, and the temperature is approaching half on the gauge. Factory shaker stereo. That song is not so great, but the radio works good. Brakes are nice and smooth. I'll leave it in third actually for this. Traffic circle. Car seems to like it there. Stays pretty flat in the corners. The corners very well, easy to steer. Really fun to get on the throttle. A nice mean sound coming out the back of this car. Leather Jack Roush, bucket seats, comfortable, ready for a long, easy drive or some fun. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Roush Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.